Ladder safety, meeting guidelines, goals. This safety session should teach employees to understand how to choose, inspect, and use ladders correctly. Number one, proper ladder selection, inspection, and use can prevent falls and injuries. Inspect ladders and remove unsafe ladders from use. Number two, select the right ladder for the job. Use a ladder, not a chair or box, to reach heights. The ladder should be tall enough to reach the height you need, rated to handle the combined weight of you and your equipment. Ladders are rated as follows. 1A holds 300 pounds, 1, 250 pounds, 2, 225 pounds, 3, 200 pounds, not usually used on the job. Safe for the conditions. Don't use metal ladders around electricity because metal is a conductor. Number 3, inspect every ladder before using it. Don't use a ladder that has any missing or broken parts. Tag it as defective and remove it from service. Don't try to fix a ladder yourself. A ladder should have no missing parts, have firmly attached slip-resistant steps, rungs, or cleats free of grease or oil, have tight support braces, bolts, screws, and spreaders, have lubricated metal parts, have safety feet, have rope in good condition, not worn or frayed, have no splinters or sharp edges, and no dents or bent parts in metal ladders. Number 4, set up a ladder firmly and properly. Place it on level floor or ground with the feet parallel to the surface it rests against. Place the ladder on wide boards if the ground is soft or broken. Extend the ladder at least 3 feet above the top support. Don't rest it on a window or window sash or in front of an unlocked door. Anchor the top. Tie the bottom or have someone hold it. The distance from the ladder's base to the wall should equal 1/4 of the ladder's length. Number 5, climb and work on ladders safely. Wear shoes with clean, non-skid, non-leather soles. Allow only one person at a time on a ladder. Climb up and down facing the ladder and holding both side rails. Carry tools on a belt or rope or hoist. Work with one hand on the ladder. Don't stand on the top 2 stepladder steps or top 4 ladder rungs. Move slowly and cautiously on a ladder. Don't move a ladder while you're on it. Center your body on the ladder so your belt buckle is between the side rails. Number 6, carry and store ladders properly. Carry a ladder with another person when possible. If you must carry it alone, balance the center on your shoulder. Keep the front end above your head and the back end near the ground. Store ladders in a dry, ventilated area kept at a moderate temperature. Store ladders standing up if possible. If they must lie down, support both ends and the middle to prevent sagging or warping. Don't keep anything on a stored ladder or the ladder will warp. Discussion points. Ask employees which jobs they perform that would be dangerous with a metal ladder. Ask for specific suggestions of how they would carry the tools and materials they use while working on ladders. Stress to administrative staff that they should not stand on chairs, especially chairs with wheels, nor put a chair on a desk and climb on it to reach something. Conclusion. Attention to ladder safety prevents injuries. Take the time to choose, inspect, and use a ladder safely. Ladders. Don't learn ladder safety the hard way. Step up to ladder safety. Choose a ladder tall and strong enough for the job. Check that ladders have all parts in good condition, including slip resistant steps or rungs, braces, bolts, screws, and spreaders, rope, and safety feet. Ladder for steadiness with ground surface level. Feet parallel to the wall at a distance that is equal to 1/4 the ladder length, and at least 3 feet above top support with top anchored and bottom tied or held. Cautiously on a ladder to prevent falls. Remember to allow one person only on a ladder wearing shoes with clean, non skid soles. Face the ladder and hold both rails while climbing. Carry tools on a belt, rope, or hoist. Stay below the top 2 stepladder steps on 4 top ladder rungs. Work with body centered, one hand on the rail, and tools in a hanger or holder. Ladder safety for payroll stuffers. A ladder's rating 1A, 1, 2, and 3 tells you the combined weight of a person and equipment it could handle. When you work around electricity, you should never use a metal ladder. To prevent falls, ladder rungs and step surfaces should be slip resistant. If a ladder is damaged or has parts missing, you should not use it and should notify your supervisor of the problems. A ladder should extend at least 3 feet above the top support. The distance between the ladder's base and the surface it leans against should be 1/4 the ladder's length. The maximum number of people permitted on a ladder is 1. When you climb a ladder, you should face the ladder and hold both side rails. The best way to carry tools on a ladder is on a belt, rope, or hoist.